Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix ring camera not recording motion. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, check motion detection setting. Open the ring app on your smartphone or deep tablet. Select your ring camera from the list of device. Then tap on the device setting or gear icon. After that, navigate to the motion setting or motion detection. Okay. Then ensure that the motion detection is enabled. Adjust the motion sensitivity setting to optimize image recording. Customize motion zone to focus on a specific area within your camera field. Okay. So after that, manage the store. Open the Ring app on your smart TV or tablet. Select your Ring camera from the list of device. Tap on the device setting or gear icon. Then you have to navigate to the device health or storage. Ensure that your camera has enough storage space to record event. Then delete unnecessary record to free up space. If you are using the local storage, make sure your storage device is functioning correctly. Okay. Then adjust the motion frequency. Open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Select your Ring camera from the list of device. Then tap on the device setting or gear icon. Then navigate to the motion setting or motion detection. Adjust the motion frequency setting to optimize the battery life. Okay. Then check the connectivity. Ensure your camera is connected to the stable internet connection. Check the battery level of your battery powered camera or do well. After that, if your camera is hardwired, ensure it's receive the adequate power from the source. Then position the camera correctly. Make sure your camera is placed perpendicular to the area you want to monitor. Okay. Adjust the camera angle so it's not too high or not too low to detect motion. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.